Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. In today's class, I am going to explain you factors influencing rate of corrosion. Okay, what are the factors affecting the rate of corrosion? So, rate of corrosion is mainly dependent on nature of metal, and then environmental factors. The first one is nature of metal and the second one is environmental factors. Okay, so in nature of metal, the first factor is position of metal in electrochemical series. Position of metal in electrochemical series or galvanic series. Okay, so according to electrochemical series, the metal which is high up in the series undergo oxidation and the metal which is bottom in the series undergo reduction. You all know about electrochemical series. So I discussed already in electrochemistry. So the top metals in the electrochemical series are most active metals and the bottom metals are less reactive metals and the middle elements are moderately reactive metals or elements. So here, basing on the electrochemical series, the metal which is top in the electrochemical series, the metal which is high up in the series, okay, the metal which is high up in the series undergo oxidation, so and thereby corrosion. Okay, and the metal which is lower in the series undergo reduction, so that acts as cathode, that remains unaffected from the corrosion. Okay, the metal which is high up in the series undergo oxidation. So according to electrochemistry, anode where oxidation takes place, so the metal which is high in the series undergo oxidation, so that acts as anode, so that undergo corrosion. Always anodic metal gets corrosion, okay, and the cathodic metal gets protected from the corrosion. So the metal which is lower in the series, the metal which is present lower in the electrochemical series undergo reduction, so that acts as cathode. Okay, that is why that remains unaffected from the corrosion. So the cathodic metal is protected from the corrosion and anodic metal gets damaged. Okay, so if the difference in the electrode potential between the two metals is greater, so the rate of corrosion at anodic metal is faster. Okay, according to in electrochemical series, if the difference between the two metals is high, so if the difference between the electrode potentials of two metals are high, then the rate of corrosion is also high. Okay, if the difference between them is less, if the difference between the electrode potential is less, then the rate of corrosion is also less. Okay, so how can we explain the rate of corrosion basing on position of metal in electrochemical series? The metal which is top in the series undergo oxidation. Okay, so that is affected from the corrosion. Okay, because that acts as anode, so that is why that metal gets damaged. Okay, the metal which is lower in the series undergo reduction, so that acts as cathode, so that remains unaffected from the corrosion. Okay, as the distance between the two metals in electrochemical series is high, the rate of corrosion is also high. As the distance between the two metals in the electrochemical series is less, the rate of corrosion is also less. Okay, so and then the next factor is purity of metal. Okay, so as the purity of metal is high, the rate of corrosion is less. Okay, because impure metal undergo corrosion. Impure metal causes heterogeneous surface, so that acts as a galvanic cell. Okay, so if you take impure metal impurity means that is an alloy. For example, so if you take copper, okay, then if copper is impure because of zinc, that means, for example, if you take 90% copper, okay, so if the contamination of copper is because of zinc, let us assume that if the contamination of copper is because of zinc. That means the impurity in copper is zinc of 10%. Then it acts as a galvanic cell. Okay, because of two different metals, it acts as a galvanic cell. Then one acts as anode and another one acts as cathode. So here zinc is the most active metal, so that is why it acts as anode and it acts as cathode. Okay, so the anodic metal gets damaged. So always impure metal undergoes corrosion more easily than pure metal. Okay, so pure metal, if the purity of metal is high, then the corrosion rate is very less. If the purity of metal is less, then the corrosion rate is very high. Okay, so see here, impure metal undergoes corrosion more easily than pure metal. Okay, impure metal undergoes corrosion more easily than pure metal. So because impurities cause heterogeneous surface and form tiny galvanic cells where anodic part gets damaged. Okay, always anodic part gets damaged. Okay, and cathodic part gets protected from the corrosion. Okay, for example, if you see here, if you take metal of zinc purity like that. Okay, so if you take zinc of 99.999% of purity, then the corrosion rate is 1. Okay, 1 means 1 mm per year. Always, what is the units for corrosion? The units for corrosion is mm per year, because corrosion is a slow reaction. So the rate of corrosion is expressed mm per year. Okay, mm per year, right? So then here, if you take zinc of 99.999 purity, then the corrosion rate is 1. If you take the same zinc as 99.99% purity, then the corrosion rate is 2650. Okay, if you take the same zinc as 99.95 purity, then the corrosion rate is 5000. So see here how the corrosion rate increases with the small change of impurities. Okay, so very negligible change of impurity here, 99.99, 99.95, because but the corrosion rate is very high. Okay, so basing on the purity of metal also the corrosion rate depends. Okay, and then ratio of anodic area to cathodic area. Okay, ratio of anodic area to cathodic area. As the ratio of anodic area to cathodic area is decreased, the rate of corrosion is increased. Okay, as the ratio of anodic area to cathodic area is decreased, the rate of corrosion is increased, and vice versa. Okay, if the ratio of anodic area to cathodic area is increased, the rate of corrosion is decreased. Okay students, then the next factor is nature of metal oxide film. Nature of metal oxide film. Okay, so already I explained in mechanism of dry corrosion about the metal oxide films. Okay, so basing on the nature of metal, so different types of metal oxide films are formed on the surface of the metal. Some may have protective oxide films, some may have non-protective oxide films. Okay, some may have stable films, some metals have unstable oxide films, some are volatile oxide films, some are porous and non-porous oxide films. So basing on the nature of metal oxide films, the corrosion rate depends. Okay, so formation of stable and protective oxide film reduces the rate of corrosion. Okay, so see here, so it is a metal. Okay, so it is the metal oxide film formed on the surface. Okay, metal oxide film. So if this metal oxide film is protective, unstable. Okay, if this oxide film is protective means it has no pores. Okay, it should have no pores on the surface of the oxide film. Okay, so then such type of oxide film reduces the rate of corrosion. Okay, So in case if the metal oxide film is volatile, then it is non-protective oxide film. Okay, if it is volatile, okay, if the film is volatile, that means it is a non-protective, so that extends the rate of corrosion to the interior side of the metal also. Okay, if it is porous, if the metal oxide film is porous, okay, porous means holes, okay, then it is a non-protective oxide film, because the oxygen or air diffuse into the layers of the metal, so then the rate of corrosion is high. Okay, when the rate of corrosion is less in case of metal, only if the film is protective and non-porous. Okay, only if the metal oxide film is non-porous and protective, then only it reduces the rate of corrosion. Otherwise the rate of corrosion will be very high. Okay, so that is explained here. Formation of stable and protective oxide film reduces the rate of corrosion. Okay, whereas formation of volatile and non-protective oxide film extends the rate of corrosion to the interior side of the metal also. Okay, these are the factors affecting the rate of corrosion basing on nature of metal. Okay, what are they? So basing on the nature of metal, so the first one is position of metal in electrochemical series or galvanic series. Okay, basing on the electrochemical series, so the metal which is high in the series undergo oxidation, and the metal which is bottom in the series undergo reduction. So the top metal undergo corrode first, and the bottom metal protects from the corrosion. Okay, and then purity of metal. Second factor is purity of metal. So if the purity of metal is high, then the rate of corrosion is very less. Okay, and then ratio of anodic area to cathodic area. As the ratio of anodic area to cathodic area is decreased, the rate of corrosion is increased. Okay, and then nature of metal oxide film. So basing on the metal oxide film, the corrosion rate depends. If the metal oxide film is protective, then the corrosion rate is very less. If the metal oxide film is non-protective, then the corrosion rate is very high. Okay, and then environmental factors. Okay, so what are the environmental factors which affects the rate of corrosion? The first one is temperature. Okay, as the temperature increases, the rate of corrosion also increases. Okay, as the temperature increases, the rate of corrosion also increases. Okay, that means the rate of corrosion increases with increase in temperature. And then humidity of air. Okay, so already I explained in the mechanism of dry and wet corrosion. The wet corrosion rate is very high than comparing with dry corrosion. So corrosion increases with increase in the humidity of air. Okay, if the air containing humidity increases the rate of corrosion. Okay, so corrosion increases with the increase in humidity of air. Okay, as the air containing humidity is high, then the rate of corrosion is also high. Okay, and then presence of impurities in atmosphere. Okay, so if the air containing polluted gases like H2S, SO2, carbon monoxide, CO, NO2, such type of gases, then the rate of corrosion is also high. Okay, always the rate of corrosion is high in case of polluted areas. Okay, in industrial areas, in polluted areas, the rate of corrosion is very high, and in non-polluted areas, the rate of corrosion is less. Okay, so corrosion increases if the air is polluted by smoke or gases like H2S, SO2, etc. Okay, and then effect of pH. So what about the effect of pH? Okay, so increase in pH indicates the increase in acidic media. Okay, so as the decrease in pH indicates the increase in acidic media, so which is more corrosive than neutral or alkaline media. Okay, so that means in acidic, comparing with basic medium or neutral medium, the rate of corrosion is high in case of acidic medium. Okay, always acidic media causes more corrosion. Okay, so comparing with neutral or alkaline media. Okay, so decrease in pH, decrease not increase, decrease. So it is a grammar, it is a printing mistake. So decrease in pH indicates the increase in acidic media which is more corrosive than neutral or alkaline media. Okay students, these are the factors affecting the rate of corrosion. Okay, mainly the rate of corrosion is mainly dependent on nature of metal and then environmental factors. Okay, in environmental factors, temperature, humidity of air, presence of impurities in atmosphere, and then effect of pH. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching, thank you.